Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle.
Abusianfo AMNJ ayamahomboahoa se na wotwe tosumienu ewo afe 2022 yemu yenya kwan ene adaje se yesan ahia ewo dwumedi a wotodin the community and the law ene memenda busumi edikan opepon ne da toso enwotwe 8th of January 2022 yefewo reku frimpon na me no betna na donhwe mienu a edi aniwe na enkoma yede ebrew no ewo emramu ene yasetena mu titiru ewo UK ha ena fe yenuanom ye papanom ye ma ene abusua ewo Ghana yenkita hodie ene ekwan ya betimi afaso ama abusua no etimi aka bom na yetena yie aban ahodo a ewo aman ahodo so enyina enhyehyeye ne se nipa wo oman biara mu no won asetena ebekọ yie eno nti se wo ye nhyehyeye a wo hwe se sikasem de be mo ba bi ankrofo ebeda ba bi obetena school obekọ adwuma obetimi aye ni nyina ekabom se ewo se abusua no etimi enya biakoye ene nkabom eno nti se nhyehyeye bi aba na ye hwe sebe ya abusua no ebetimi etena yie wotahwe a Wobɛhu sɛ obi ɛwɔ English abrokyire ha na ne ma ne busua ne yere ɛwɔ Ghana. Ɛkwan bɛn so na wɔkɔfa no ɛde n'aba abɛka ho a obɛdi mmara no so sɛ pɛpɛɛpɛ sɛnea ɛsi ɛteɛ. Ɛnɛ yɛbɛhwɛ awofoɔ ɛne wɔn mma nkitahodie ana afei kwan a wɔbɛfa so a wode wo ba ɛbɛfiri Ghana aba abɛka wo ho ɛwɔ UK wɔnyɛ asetena. Ɛmma no mu deɛ hen ɛne yɛka. Yɛwɔ mma sɛ deɛ wankasa wakyem sɛ be wawoɔ anaa sɛ deɛ wode akɔ awadeɛ or deɛ obi agye ato ne yɛfunu mu awo ɛde ama wo. Deɛ tɔso mmiɛnsa ɛna ɛnɛ yɛba abɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ nti tetena na afei yɛnkɔɛ. Yɛ live ɛwɔ BW communication platforms ahodoɔ ne nyinaa so BW radio ɛwɔ yɛ platforms ahodoɔ no so BWA radio wobɛnya yɛwɔ Modern Ghana platform no so wobɛnya yɛwɔ streamer so ɛna afei nso so wobɛtumi ahwɛ yɛn wɔ BW TV so live ɛwɔ Facebook live ɛwɔ yɛ YouTube. Yɛsan nso so ɛwɔ BWF Solicitors wɔn platform no so ɛwɔ Facebook, LinkedIn ɛna afei YouTube. Nti sɛ wɔn saka link na sɛnea yɛa ne ɛta aka so kana no awɔ so na ade ama onua bi na ɔno nso anya ɛho ɛmfasoɔ. Ebio me kai wɔ sɛ yɛne BWF Solicitors ɛna ɛdi dwuma yi. BWF Solicitors ɛyɛ lawyerfoɔ dwumakuo a wɔaredan ɛwɔ UK mmara mu, Ghana mmara mu. Wɔte nneɛma no nyinaa ase na afei wɔgyina yɛn nan mu ɛyɛ applications ahodoɔ ɛde ɛma yɛn. Wɔkyerɛkyerɛ yɛn kwan yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛtumi ayɛ yɛn nneɛma nyinaa ama no atotɔ yie na ne nyinaa nso so ɛde abusua nkabɔ mu no ɛde aba. Ɛnɛ nso nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ nti moma afei yɛmfa aseda kɛseɛ ɛma BWF Solicitors sɛ wɔboa yɛn ma yɛde nkɔmmɔ no ɛbrɛ. BWF Solicitors ɛwɔ 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so ɛwɔ Seven Sisters North London. Wɔyɛ adwuma Monday to Friday. Efiri anopa 9:30 ekosi anwummerɛ 6 o'clock. Frɛ wɔn wɔ 0208 493 7340. Nkra no ɛno emu entitimu pa enie.
Yɛyɛ fɛma yɛwɔ London. Yɛgye abasobɔdeɛ bebree. Na yɛaredare ɛwɔ mmaransɛm mu. Ɛyɛ legal services, bi te sɛ family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. What BWF deɛ, yɛn solicitors ɛde anigyeɛ ɛna twitwagye woɔ na yɛboɔ nso nyɛ den koraa. Yɛn partner panin paa, Bernardo Wusu ayɛ lawyer ɛwɔ UK man mu bɛburu mfie 29 years. BWF solicitors kura wɔn ho. Nti sɛ ba na ebusuansɛm bi te sɛ child care, ɛyɛ abofra hwɛ mu, awaregya yɛ ho twema mentwe, ɛne ɔhyɛ anaa injunction a yɛde to domestic violence so a yɛmma wo legal assistance a ɛdi mu na yie adwuma nso. Yɛn child care ɛne family team no nim nea wofa mu ɛwɔ nea yɛwɔ bere yi mu. Ɛno nti na yɛto yɛn bo ase ma wafoto a ɛsɛ fata ɛwɔ kokoa mu. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ obi a Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agyina to mu na ɔsan so yɛ member na kyerɛ sɛ ɛba no sɛ yɛgyina w'akyi ɛtwitwa agyew ɛwɔ family ɛne matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw koraa. Wopɛ advice ɛwɔ immigration nsɛnsɛm ho. Wɔ BWF Solicitors deɛ, yɛn immigration team no avedare ɛwɔ general immigration ho nsɛmsɛm kosi complex immigration, work permit, student visa ho ntotoyɛ, any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yɛn senior partner ɛyɛ member na wasan gyina tom ɛwɔ Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Nti sɛ yɛtae w'akyi a, wonni haw koraa. Yɛbie yɛn office free dwada ekosi fiada, anɔpa nɔnkron pɛɛ mu ekosi enumere nonsia, ɛyɛ 9:30 AM kosi 6 PM. Ɛna memeneda nso ɛyɛ appointment nko a, free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia nɔnan, ɛyɛ 10 AM kosi 4 PM. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wonnante firi Seven Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernardo Wusu san yɛ barrister yɛagyina to mu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmaranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wɔ advising local authorities, official solicitors office, ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Wie ɛne na sɛ wopɛ obi a Wari dare ewo emremu na afi obetimi edi ho nkomo edi ama obetimi akyerɛkyerɛw ama no akoyia na eye BWF Solicitors yɛsɛ yɛnka enu ye ho because BWF Solicitors deɛ wɔn a ɛna yɛne wɔn edi ɛna afi yɛhwe ebomu yɛkɔ yɛnim na afi me pɛsɛ me kamfo ɛma wo sɛ wajoin ne yɛn na wahyɛ page na nyame enhyira sɛ unya nhyɛ nso a sɛnea na nagyima enua pani yɛn class prefect wato agumu na afi or kamfo ɛma amanfo sɛ wɔn hyɛ yɛ page no na nagyima yɛda CP Tili Duma yɛhu sɛ na nagyima ɛfrɛ wɔ line no so Gina Edusei Dorcas Adom Joyce Jefferson Ernestina Safo Abebio Ernestina afei na yɛkɔ holidays yɛaba nti t-shirt na yɛde yɛn nsa ɛbɛka nti mɛma ɛnha okra Esther Champon nso so ohwɛ yɛn ɛwɔ program no so mo amwo YouTube nso yɛ ma mo nyina akwaba mo amhwɛ wɔ LinkedIn nso so yɛ ma mo nyina akwaba ene yɛn komo no ɛyɛ adeɛ bi a enra na medidi ho enkomo no obisi o saa surrogacy anase obi ede obi ba eto ne yafunu mu na onyinsan na wo ema no ayade a ekoso wo Ghana pa bebrebe na ho nsɛm no one lawyer ka mo nka ne yie ma ye na yehunu kwan ye befa so bia na mpese mkoye bi kwan be so na mefa akoye bi eno kra na nche no sɛ utimi efa yefunu through obi na wo a ɛho immigration sem titru ɛwɔ UK ha no ɛtesɛn ene mi kyerɛ yi opening pa oda BWF Solicitors ano ɛwɔ ha ɛyɛ Uncle Ben ɛwɔ ha ɔbɛba bɛboa na afei yɛde nkɔmɔ no aba Uncle Ben ɛyɛ obi a wadi dwuma ɛwɔ mmramu last week no wɔka sɛ say 30 years kra ɛna yɛwura mu nti sɛ ɛba no sɛ wopɛ obi a ɔde nkɔmɔ no ɛbɛtumi akɔyi ama opa na ɔwɔsuahunu kɛseɛ pa Uncle Ben mo akɔba
me Johnson kweko
na for me
Yehowa do
afi yin share yako 8 days
I know
then last year yeti ye nyame ehwe yen so manfo kokrehe ase ne ade nyina yetimi ekọ throughout the year abesi afefefrom afi na me share we memo a fisher pay na last week oma yehunu dey but afi it is saying so far
wa kwaku afi dey say ye fe ne ahya ase na say ye hihye no community helper ye dey ma ye community na yetimi aboa community no ma emramu titiru ne asetena ana nhihye wa ha sebe sene be ya obi nkwa asemu ana so kwa asemu obetimi free mu no eno ne ye dey ato ye ne so ayaya nyame ncha de fititama ye start ye adwuma yi Ghanaian community ne African community ne black community ne ya adwuma amomo ti eno ne ye koso ahyemukina se nyame ma ya hoden ne tumi nyansa ne odo nyame suru ne ahobrase na yintimi fa nkoso anya adwuma mwa community no
ye ene na me das de kan se mo etum ho asi ho I'm say last week yeah share some of the reviews among for a day aba our bomo abaso ehwe emmoa motimi de aboa won na migidi ye say ye bekoso anya ho emfaso sa answer na mekoso no say ye ka sa surrogacy a I'm say bi pejan komo no aba na ewo mu ane ye bibi ne ye ka surrogacy a eno ene de na me chire mu say ye say obi ama obi afa yefunu ama no na wawo ama no na sa ena ye chire
kwaku ye ka surrogacy I mean first of all my menchia for mo amawo BW radio so sisi ya radio nti MC ya share ana mo amohwe BWF TV ewo Facebook and YouTube michia mu nyina ya damasen so say mabeka ya ho sebe ye so ade no mamma emma adwuma na nya de because ye the famoso na mosomo de achiche na apeten na nkrofo anya bi kwaku surrogacy se bruni akase surrogacy ade ochira na se obi fa obi so e de aye bibi eni ntina obi wo ho a yesoma na so you bi si ho so nya bibi mana aya kase na wusu ni surrogate eni acha se wafa na so e de aye bibi usually aye bibi a ɛho ɛwɔ mfa so na yɛkase surrogacy yɛde ba yɛ abrabɔ mu a na yɛ ade a yɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔba ɔde ne nafu ama awowa na ɔde afa yɛfuru ama bɛrima ɛna ne yere.
Okay.
Nti ɔno no ɛyɛ surrogate anaa yɛfrɛ no surrogate mother ɛde ma ekun ɛne yɛyere anaa partners a sɛbea bi a na biribi nti na ɔmu ntumi ɛnwo.
Okay.
Na ɔmo pɛ ba by deɛ sɛ nyame na de kyɛ. Nti ɔpɛ ba no na wayi obi asi hɔ a saa nipa no ɔno na ɔbɛfa afuru no ama no. Ebetumi aba sɛ saa nipa no ɔno ani kosua ana yɛde bɛrima no ho nsuo yɛmfa ngu ɔbaa nim. Bɛrima no ne ɔbaa no ɛnda.
Okay.
Yɛde gu tube mu na ɛhɔ ana bɛrima no ho nsuo ne ɔbaa no kosua no ɔmo ɛbɛka abom na adane nipa yɔ the process no ayɛ aborɔfo frɛ no gamete. Na ɛtumi gyina na yɛyi saa kosua ne bɛrima ne ho nsuo a starte ɛbɛyɛ nipa no na ɔbaa no a ɔde ne furu aba wɔwa no a ɔde ne ho kyɛ sɛ mɛwo ama mo no na yɛde ahyɛ ne mu. Doctors wɔ Ghana bebree ɔmoyɛ ebi wɔ a moyɛ koraa na mma na efiri mu no na mma na akɔyɛ bebree. Baako bi a nanse yɛyɛ sɛ nkɔlaa no yɛ ɔmoyɛ 5.
Hey, baako pɛ no.
Yeah, nkɔlaa no yɛ 5 beautiful sɛbio nyame adom ɔmo ba bɛka ɔmo papa ne ɔmo maame ho wɔ ha.
Okay.
Enti kwaku ɛyɛ adeɛ a yɛdeɛ yɛtaa yɛ in the sense yɛ community no nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a yɛnya nte aseɛ yie. Sɛ obi wɔ hɔ a na ɔsɛ ɔmepɛ adoption ɛno nso wɔ hɔ.
Okay.
But wobɛtumi de wo mogya
akɔ ama ayɛ
na wowanya wo ba. Agye sɛ bi a ɔbaa no ankasa no ni kosua a yɛbɛtumi ayi ne kosua no ɛne ne kun no ho nsuo aka abom na abɛyɛ ɔmo ba. Na kyerɛ sɛ akwalaa no ne mogya ne ne biribiara no ɛyɛ awofoɔ no dea.
Okay.
Ba ebi wɔ hɔ nso a na ne mogya no fa efiri maame no hɔ na fa nso efiri papa no hɔ.
Okay. Nti sɛ yɛka no sɛ obi de ne kosua ama ɔbaa foforɔ yɛde bɛrima no ho nsuo aka ho yɛkeka abɔ mu anyini yɛde akɔto ne yɛfunu mu ama ɛba no hwan ɛna yɛ maame no ankasa.
Okay. Sɛ yɛba English man mu ha akɔlaa maame ɛyɛ nipa a ɔwɔ no. Yɛba Ghana yɛ papa Nana Akufo-Addo 2020 ɔsan law a ɛyɛ birth and death registration law 2020 act no ɔsan law ɛbɛsesa ani kakra.
Okay.
Sɛ yɛ kurom hɔ no yɛakɔ yɛnim ama parliament atimi ahu sɛ sɛbio awareɛ mu wɔ hɔ a ebi wɔ hɔ a ɛba mma a ɛtumi de wantwi ba. Because yɛ maame ne mu no yɛ nsewa mu no ɛne bi a yɛ nua baa no mu no ayɛ a ɔmo nua baa mu a ɔmo ba anaasɛ ɔmo wɔ faase kɔ awareɛ na ba mma mu a dodoɔ na ble mu ɔbaa no. Nanso ebi a na yɛ bɛrima no anaasɛ ɛyɛ yareɛ bi a sɛbio ɔbaa no wɔ kusua deɛ nanso akwadaa no ntumi nna ne yam ntumi ngyina anaasɛ yareɛ nti no ɔno ara no fa afuru no a na wapɔn. Ana ɔbaa nso pɔn a sɛbio ɛnyɛ adeɛ ɔtaa keka because ɛyɛ ɔyaw sɛ ɔbaa bɛfa yɛfuru na wapɔn. Ti bi wɔ hɔ a bi abɛyɛ bosome mmienu na nka wapɔn na abɛsen. Ɛno mo saa no ɛno na yɛde fa sɛ ne yɛ ebi a wo nua baabi wɔ hɔ. Anaasɛ wonim obi a sɛbe wonim na setenam ne na brabom wonim sɛ ɔnyɛ ɔbaa basabasa sɛbe ɔfofa nduro ne saa nneɛma no ti yɛka sɛ wɔde ɔbaa hyɛ ne yam a na akwadaa no nyi na ɔwo na yɛde na mo ade ama mo a ɔbɛtumi agye. But question a wobisa no under English law no akwadaa maame ane ɔbaa ɔwo no ana akwadaa papa ane maame na ɔwo no ne kun time a ɔwo akwadaa no anaasɛ obi a yɛbɛtumi approve by either the birth certificate ana biology ana say DNA say eye ne ba ne akola no. But under Ghanaian law no Birth and Death Registration Act of 2020 no and then Shisha by say section 50 say utimi any obi ehye na mode eba no to ne yam na enya 2 weeks from date na dia to ne yam na obetimi aba Ghana High Court na ma pre-birth parental order yan wo akwala no kra ye order afa akwala no Ghana ya koye nim kwaku saa de we min hu bi wo kro bia so me guso hwehwe enti 12 weeks no wonim de enti 12 weeks no
the first trimester.
Na chesa akwala na absolutely that's 4 months ebi kra na ye de kosua no bo no na nso adi be 1 month ana bibi enti bia no akonya 5 months but from 12 weeks of date of insemination no I was say the High Court na High Court pre-birth order na wo ne wo yire no ya twero wo paper bi in the order say mo na mo ye nkola na wofo ye hu akola no enti ye wo akola na sa order no mo betimi e de aye akola no a register no.
Okay. Nature say incommode aman mewura na de me kon masaba but nature say sa English emrana eche say akola na wofo ne na eye de wo no eni neja eni de one oba no eware at that time no se ukuta sa pre-order no even from Ghana eba be ka emrana e wo hanugu na afi age wo asi ho se wo ba no.
Absolutely. For your Ghana mrano se wo follow law na ana mesremo mama yentie ade because research am here no over the last week in which recent crofo bebre enim saadi we about Ghana se Ghana no yati surrogacy as law bi wo ho a eboa first of all no ansa na mo betu saa na mo no eyire anikun etnase ye Christus fu ye se bi kra mo de kompai bom manya ya mo decision no I was some pe obi a obetimi afa efru na mamo.
Okay.
Ebetimi abase be ma no nsuo no ahoden wom. Ebetimi abase oba no ewo nkusua eno nso ahoden wom. Ti ade omu hia ne so mu hia incubator. Baby a yede ade no kohye na enyin na yetimi ayi akola no na yede awofo na de na brom. But because of sana ye law ne tininti untimi nkase kosua no ye memeyiri kosua ana nsuo no ye memi nsuo nti ye de abehye wo fumu no wawo a ye fa akola na koye ye ba nya wo ba dabi maame na owo no even under Ghanaian law no eye ne ba ene sa akola no until so we be course our process first of all mo be sign surrogacy agreement eno nso ye ho adwuma it may prepare surrogacy agreement no mamo mo ne maame no be sign yanso aya ye boa se mo be call counseling mo mienu ku na yire ana surrogate mother no so mo miensa no mo be call counseling.
Okay.
Kwaku minim wo ba minim se wo ma mienu ana sebe unim sana kola absolutely se oba wafa yefun 9 months na wawo
na kunema no ho papa
yes no dia kola no ma anya isa both emotional attachment
and one crowd sebe nipa tinka ti misesa anytime nipa no a ono yede ne kosua ene be ma ne nsuya bel no ebetimi kra to some point oba na ono ebe ye surrogacy no might develop feelings for the man na fe na so akoye manso ewo ho nti de wo kan it happens
mempese me hurihura ayere no 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 akase da bi mempese ba akoye na oni oba no akotwempena na waji we free nsem possible sana even obema ni oba hia wo ba bi kra omuni momo ho a omutimi ma omodom ho no saa nso na obi a okura oba obetimi adono ba ye pese odono odo a oba ne nti ode dono se mo boa no mo hwe no mama na duane mama ne baby partner ehihia amaye no eni so no ne ho kom ka obi wo ho asabi o okofa saa di mu a obi wo onyema o yare saa ntimi nya adwuma ti saa compensation was some the man no mo de ama no yen kasa mo toba ana mo to efru
like
English law no pene se obetue sika broso but sika bi wo ho na wutua a reasonable expenses emanipa no obia ne se na wona nhihye anything from the very word go moya mo counsel and decide mo identify surrogate mother no I was say mo sign agreement na mo mienu ayere ni kun mo te mo ho ase surrogate mother na obekura mo ba no ono nso te no ho ase se sa akola we yedi Ghana mraso ye pese de no ba England ye British ti ye pese ba no wo na no pese akola no ye British a anu nso nhihye wo ho bear in mind say main advice is will be for surrogate mother waware because who was for surrogate mother waware or wo bana maame no surrogate mother no ayane bane akola no ana ni kun no so ayane ba although say omuni biological contribution towards the child and omuni any biological connection but because waware ni ntino na eno aye nti English law na advice no say akola maame and surrogate mother so maame na warrior ni kun and papa no however under English law no say na Ghana law na ye no because Ghana law no, within 28 weeks of sa enyinsen no from date no so first make say 4 months
4 months yeah
after that no 28 weeks pepe no I was also court esan koje another order na eno no a final order ubitimi dia ye bibia no anso na wo de beje British passport ama akola no se we British citizen na se wo be ma no uhunsuo ana ye de wo akola na se we British akola no ye wo na akola no ye British ti wo beje British passport ama no ana apesa wo je Ghana passport abetimi age Ghana passport na waje right of abode ama no but say wo indefinite stay wo ha na wo na wo ye nyina mo indefinite ano nso mo wo ba no wo Ghana na obi ni kura efunu ma mo a ono nso mo betimi de akola na ba under paragraph 297 sa akola na ye mo ba enti mo pesa mo de no ba be wo se mo fa sa laws na England ahyehye no ene de Ghana ahyehye no eye adwuma a ye taa ye de bia enti no nso mo ba ye betimi a kyerɛ mo ne aya mo
abusia sɛ afei ɛna ɔbɛka yɛn ho a nkɔmmɔ no nni animu kɛkɛ ɛna detail mpo aba saa no mekamfo ɛde ama wo sɛ wo nsa ɛka link na share ma obi so ɛnya bi because nkɔmmɔ a ɛkɔi ɛde paa na ɛyɛ akwanya a wo nso so wobɛtumi ɛde ɛnya wo ba na afei nso so wɔtumi ayɛ ho nhyehyɛeɛ a wone obusua ebitimi abetena together here in the UK. Ye ka say yenya yeniaba Ernestina Safo abebi Ernestina say watchia mene lawyer yada CP. Nana yima sapon onso so echiao Asari Yaboa. Onso echiao Stacy Latte. Thank you very much for joining us. Nana yima sapon say I will not do any surrogacy for anyone who well we're not asking for a decision to be made now. Brima, you're also watching with us. Thank you very much. Share the page. Now, make our say we're live at BW Radio. So, BW Radio, Yamea Duma, Echna, and you 7 p.m. UK time or GMT. So, our program, you bet rebroadcast the audio version. It's BBT Ume say this live one, Echna, and you one Abeka. You're live at BW TV, so also on YouTube. You're live at BW Solicitors Facebook page, BW Solicitors YouTube page, and a BW Solicitors LinkedIn. And T Shannon Samai. What comment be a Ubetimi ade abrayen yen text number no and the screen no so no 07950 422780 07950 422780 and I say obefreyen e was our number corner so WhatsApp audio message and I said the tisa bia o de ebefe no so but ya mama mfa me private number no so and ekra phone no so this all the message bia fa ho 10 no na divert fabra yen 07950 422780 say when BWF Solicitors AD and Koma me pese me kamfo ema se woye adwumadie ahodo bebrea etimi eboa yen ewo yan setremu ene emramu entiase emu bebre BWF Solicitors say eba na say wo apply for UK visa, get in touch or advise say na fe oboa wo say visa the right option we say we select it ye ebe ma wo application form any process na ye beboa wo ama wetimi complete ni nyina na fe so wo travel documents the edimu and the right ones no yebebo ama put it in together and I think so say we call diedro and say why application be na yamfa ama wa obetimi aye appeals ni nyina BWF Solicitors eginemu ene wo edisa adwuma no ema ekosi yie pa wo Ghana na mpese mo ne BWF Solicitors edi nkita ho no ye wo Accra office na number no eye 0302 509-235. Missy number no so 0302 509-235. And now 0244 269-233. 0244 269-233. BWF Solicitors Accra office in T-shirt and so Samana. I think so. I feel more senior before the beginning of the year. Na yeta boss was say opese oba. And also we juma na opese o francophone free outside the UK teach you Ghana edeba. Na fe we hear says our sponsorship license na yeboa ema utimi air license and wetimi akọ francophone fi Ghana. Abe ye juma mawa. But when they answer when BWF Solicitors and ebedi and komo can assist you apply for a sponsorship license from the UK Border Agency. Your Ghana number now 050 4622794. And our UK number now 0208 493 7340. Emergency number now 077 127 61884. Enti Shannon. BWF Solicitors say and Kancho say afe fufro ena ye remu wadawase say afe twa mu no woni won eye adwuma na afe nsuso wabo wadwen po say woni won ebedi adwuma no ama na akọ animu pa enti kamfoma obi sani amanfo edi ho adanse last week no nso obenya danse pa edi because BWF Solicitors they are trusted partners when it comes to the law here in the UK. Into say immigration and nationality provide service utimiti ase unu senior city na afi say yenkujina wachi ewo court any all areas of nationality and immigration BWF Solicitors and when they will ebetu sa anamo enti shano so sa na afi yen mo deruna amount for enti ebisa Richie Fosu, thank you very much say onso waba beka yen ho ewo jimedie yeso yeden komono eba beto so na akaben me obi beka se me bibisa a question of morality kakra, custom kakra, any values kakra. Sabi you say me ne me ya jatum se ye pese obi efa ye funu no na afi onyensan maye wi aye de ba maye sensan ho mra no mani ade nyina. Why end ebetimi aye? Do I have any set of people omonye qualified to say omo ebeji me kosia ene me hunsi oba no kosia ne me hunsi no ma ya mai mintimi nware menua intimi nua betimi aya ma me ana
well restriction ni hosa
okay
inti ideally no the surrogacy notion no say be bibia within even family crana possible.
Okay.
However, just be mindful, say obi unua ba na of crowd bamawa ohu akwala ni de bia enti sa odo na owo no ohuni anytime obe huni bia na wakai no.
That's right.
Enti morally no and because of issues to do with say obi wo hwa onya akwala na ma me ne kra ofa ya phone no onni rights of the akwala no enti se wo pe no saade a na ne wo se wo pe obi a sebe onye wo busuani a obetimi afa because legally no bema ne oba no enna biological and as a scientific creation enti saa gamete no ye insert ahye oba ne mu no enye sexual intercourse because the definition of sexual intercourse no a penetration of the female organ by a male organ and insertion no enye male organ ye insert a biological instrument and a scientific instrument. Doctors no ade bebree o Ghana extremely experienced people and minimum crofo bebree wa ha omokoye wo Ghana very successful. The entire Moshe Ghana DNS cost is slightly cheaper. And I think so. So a person will be near. It's very likely, sir. Nippon or fan on 100% African dilution be him. And yet, decision are you taking it lightly because we take a decision. I also drain home Nippana or be Nima Kolana man on the background. So any medic because homo use Nikusia. Naturally, say, or transfer some of the genes. Amaoba. So we sure say background information is animal. Abia you be a drug addict and obia sabi or genetic illness be a bit me fatal in future. Until you bit me exclude this animal. And yeah, in a draft agreement now, what we take into consideration is surrogate mother no bepenese more medical assessment. It will be a friend MOT. It may assess either Bema na Bema. Sorry, Bema na or bar. A show will be a Bema or predictive score as to whether say we are predisposed to a particular illness, maybe cancer, high blood pressure, NSR, Niema, diabetes, and Niema. Of course, these are things maybe we are intimate discount. But normally, no disease be a degenerative and as a bit may fatal. No, so which me a predict here. Then you will know how to deal with the akolana wa no.
Okay. Enti se ye kan ye hwemo pa se obi ba mo ho na oka se me pese me ye we. Nipa so me se na obtain na my identify no. Mo criteria bi a mo be list here go ho se I was say we or tick boxes we nyina se be ya enkofa problem emba dachi. Is there any pointer nipa must select maybe a what qualify no or bet me a pull out of the agreement now?
Oh, absolutely. It happens all the time. Until American, the first assessment, and the first step, obey that. One you be decided, say a yes, I do. Two, we decided, I was some decided say yeah, waha, and I outside.
Okay.
Do surrogacy, do outside over 70%. Outside the UK. Why? I don't know. And more outside, more identify Nippano. The next step, say Nippano benya legal advice.
Okay.
Independent from us. And you become a lawyer, and then a lawyer could dinkomo. Naturally, be a money it's at arm's length.
Okay.
And then yes, a yen influence in the panel, say a dada. John Swing and a lawyer, more than mobitia and a lawyer the fees. From there, no, I was some of counseling.
Okay.
Nti mako counseling, momaya mo counseling, or non so I counseling, obia satisfied, obia legally no, obia on a lawyer, psychologically no, obia sound say. I do any a person my year, no, that's sign agreement, no, na process na start. Doctors no be more time. And to say, well, year kusia and I won't see you doctors no be prefer some of the bagana. A mano, you are DBI the mao, a drew. Na itimia kusia naba. And your mamma time. Now fair drew na, no more you kusia, no more you kusia, no more you're happier. Now my fertilizer kusiano. Omo fertilizer kusiana enye ni nyina na ye viable e bi faili ti bi o fatena e bi mo be beti 4 5 6 beti me faili but of father do no because kusiana yi no ana men kan we find and ma obia akumentu aya ye painful kakra at say oba koye smear test no because aya be invasive nti ɛwɔ sɛ nipa no yɛ switched on sɛ process wei na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔfam nti wo a wayɛ maame no a yɛbɛwɔ baa ma wo no awɔ nyɛ ade ketewa nti wo pain no wonya no mfitiaseɛ nipa no ɔbɛwɔ ama wo no ne pain no bɛba at the end of it nti either way I think sɛ what go through process now sɛ egg no yɛ viable na yɛ fertilize na ɛbɛyɛ gamete na embryo doctor no bɛfrɛ wo
okay
doctor no frɛ wo a not the good news na ma
right.
or the good news no ma wo a ɔmo yɛ implantation na yɛ successful nso a ɛno nso ɔbɛfrɛ no the good news na ma to the good news no ma wa from date na yɛ implantation 12 weeks pɛpɛɛpɛ no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛn yɛ tumrika kɔ Ghana High Court na yɛkɔyɛ application no pre-birth parental order no
okay
na yɛnyae no a na kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ secured na after 28 weeks after that no nso no na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ final order because 28 weeks no wode ka 12 weeks no ɛyɛ 40 na kyerɛ sɛ wawo ba no na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛkɔgye final order no
okay sɛ me hwɛ wei from the beginning na afei yɛbɛhwɛ ɛkwan yɛbɛfa so na yɛput immigration nneɛma no in place but final one na maybe sa ne sɛ yɛwie na abɔfra no ba order no yɛnya from court yɛde me ba ama me metu kwan maba aburokyire a saa nipa na yɛne ne call contract ɛma ɔyɛ surrogacy no yɛne na wi
oh yeah
cry
absolutely we need anything here
na sɛ mpɛ sɛ meyɛ second one
ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ma wa sɛneɛ na wakɔ back because bia
ɛhɔ na yɛana deɛ sɛ mɛba no
well I mean first of all no kwaku wo ɛba na wo de ba enti nipa na ɔfa wo ba 9 months no ɔyɛ equally important sɛ wo yere no ma wo egg ne wo wa wo ma wo sperm no enti wo sɛ wo treat no yie
okay
nkrofo bebree yɛ surrogacy not because of hia sika but because or the yɛ good deed ɔboa wo bi I don't know you know sɛ woyɛ sɛ adwuma yi a and sometimes na ma life no wohu life differently minim maame bi me nua baa a wo kurom ha ne sere ɛne n'anigye ɛsesan time a ɔyɛ surrogacy ɛyɛ ne kun ɛna obi ana yɛyɛ fertilization no sisi a me no kasa akwara no 13 years ɛwɔ ha me nua baa no n'ani gye saa because nyame akyɛ no ba enti ɛyɛ ade ehu hia nti nipa na ɔyɛ surrogate mother no ɛwɔ sɛ ɔhwɛ ne yie sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔne no maintain a relationship a ebi koraa ɔpɛ sɛ ɔhu ba na ɛyɛ wo na woyɛ wo decision ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔhu na ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔhu ɛno yɛ wo decision
abusua sɛ afei ɛna wabɛjoin ne yɛn a yɛka ɛyɛ ɛba yɛde kosua ɛne bɛrima ho nsuo egu ɔbaa foforɔ ɛyɛ furu mu na ɔsoa nyinsɛn no bosome nkron no wawo ɛde ama obi na deɛ nti a yɛdi nkɔmɔ yi nyinaa ɛne sɛ wasetena ɛne wɔn krataa asɛm no sɛ wonya ɛba saa ɛkwan bɛn so na wobɛtumi afa na afei saa ɛba no abɛka wo ho ɛwɔ UK na wɔn busua no nso adi mu ɛno ɛna yɛdi ho nkɔmɔ no na mekae wo sɛ BWF Solicitors ɛna wɔne yɛn ɛtwetwe nkɔmɔ yi ɛnkyɛ me nua baa na amanyɛti bɛba bɛka me ho na yɛdi sɛbe ɛma special nkɔmɔ yi na question bi wɔ hɔ a ɛyɛ na mbra pani mebisa na ayɛ den kakra nso so yɛbɛtumi abisa ama no ayɛ yie ma menhwɛ sɛ menya me nua baa na ɛwɔ so a na afihya pa na design so will I know a delay kakra but what be the na me ma wakɔ aba ɛnɛ yɛsɛ nkɔmɔ no ɛyɛ sɛ obi ɛfa yɛfunu ama obi na watimi awo ama nipa korɔ no nso anya ne ba okay o te mega on te mega
maintain free will, but well, I can hear from the other connector, and it's okay.
Okay. Sorting it out now. Fi mene Uncle Ben. Fa ye ekomono and to us nim na yewia na yama wonso watimi apagya de aba. Well, Uncle Ben, yenhwe se yenya pre-birth order 12 weeks.
Okay.
Say eko 38-40 hono yenya the final order. Yawo abofra no ama no aba bedru. Ye bisa from the beginning say hola no hwan ba. Emra any Ghana nhye se ne o man yese ti ase no kire se ya jatum se omo ede omo kosua ene omo hunsuo no eye omo no omo ba emra asan ase. Kwai be so ye fa register sa abofra.
Okay. Sana ya hamra nete no se awofo na omo commission surrogacy no se papa no ya British me fa papa no because anya de bia na use ma me de kosua.
Okay.
Most often I am use oba for kosua. Se papa na omo commission ya no so ya British citizen ya wa akola na ya British.
Okay.
British law no expect say within 16 weeks of birth no. I was say waji parental order and then a Ghana law no e dey aba. Ti Ghana law na kill sa na ma ni nyina. Waji parental order
na the grade say 12.
And yeah, the first one no, for pre-birth parental order.
Okay.
But make a second one, the final one.
Okay.
Because there you say, unyanya sa order na ye wo akola na ye de udin to birth certificate. Obi edin koso ye wo na wo yiri din na ko birth certificate no say akola na ye moba. Enti nya adoption so obi ba amakoje no. Enti that itself, the birth certificate itself na ye evidence say akola na ye woba.
Okay.
Enti ubetimi e de age British passport amano.
Okay.
But obeji British passport na e was how hu say surrogacy. Enti surrogacy no what that means is say obe disclose process I will go through.
Okay.
Obe record scans omo ye prenatal and postnatal evidence ni na what the account. Sabema no indefinite stay na chese akola no nya British the same process.
Okay.
Once our court order no birth certificate no obetimi dia file am under paragraph 297 of the immigration rules na or the akola na ba so you British unsho accommodation unsho
okay.
Na onya British na we use 297 e will so show accommodation na afi we show say maintenance no ba obetimi dia hwe no onya bedu ha because oya moba no mo British nationality mo betimi de naka ho straight away na mo aye but say papa no ya British dadade a ani akola no so ya British citizen to obeje ne passport na odi aba.
Okay. Inti say ye kosa processes mu nyina ewia waboso de but me bisa say 18.6 and me wo 2.5 and there was 7 koye we no money ade status being and abofra no bekuta.
Okay, so our for two ni nyina wo indefinite na omekut akola na benya indefinite.
Okay.
Our for no ba ko indefinite na ba ko limited leave akola na benya limited leave. So our for no ba ko e British citizenship na ono na ye be ma na akola na benya British citizenship.
Okay. Now yaka say yenwie nipa oba wo ye no ye ne awie if they develop a relationship with sa nipa no na bia kwan bi so ye pese ye show your appreciation and in tibia ye mebo no transie ne sesen kakra e wo UK ha. Does that person qualify under any of these circumstances?
Absolutely not. Nti nipa no ba obasa obi a woni mo no o masa wo yere ana wuku ana o masa wo ba ana o masa akola bi o wa ha ya British ne maame na eba no o basa ohoho a oba besra nti obetimi aba ha besra by esra no nya reason so me na me surrogate mother nti me ba be hwa akola no it will be say oba on a purely on a visit basis. So open documentary relationship and say maame we na ye bibi. Of course you can say that. But so oba purely as a visitor. Yeah.
Ontimi nyina kola no so nye bibia.
Akola na nya ne ba nti ontimi njina ne so.
Se obichi anye na mpacho me ba I think you're getting ready now. Se obichi anye ne bia wan go through sa Ghana ne yinia na UK mrase by the 12th week by the 16th week no I was say wetimi enya wo order ne ade na entawantawa ba. How do we resolve it?
Eba bebre mo hwe no bopa monkey in surrogacy dispute BBC videos almost about 20 videos ne go me no kasa 2020 and kola na aka Ukraine surrogate mothers. I mean, name the entity of surrogacy no over 70% from outside. Obi wa create designer baby. Why? I don't know. Up a blue eye, blonde hair, slim woman, and tisani man or and ya no yeka. Yeka oba ne bema pure no muhiaba. Menka obia sabi ohunemu ya ne de no ko pese me ko ye designer baby. Na makopa oba wo blue eye, blonde hair or ya oluko model or ya slim. I don't know make up. And ya no yeka. For me, no. So we are desperate. So we pebana we surrogacy. Unku create a designer baby. Of course, ubet me. I am a BB. I disease be or predisposed to no unko. So that of course that's allowed. So be a disability be or family name you want to prevent it. Of course that's allowed. But and yet to create a designer baby. And to do one outside. And to obi wa omukwa could do last stage, you know, as for
yeah.
And intina your agreement. No?
Okay.
So agreement, in the UK and yet enforceable. But judge me take the contents of the agreement in making the decision. There were at least 2 cases I'm aware. Partly, because one we were partly involved, and then the other one a case law precedent I use for surrogacy disputes. First of all, I make a BB say some more started process now. I was 2 parties no be a lawyer. So what to me proves a surrogate mother no enya independent advice and oba into the surrogacy agreement with proper, competent, independent legal advisor. So obrichi agreement now. I am more likely say ubitimi ajibano. However, under UK English law, Children Act of 1989, any decision about any child, the welfare interest of the child.
Okay.
And it is a court no feel say Akolana will be well placed, the welfare interest will be well met by the surrogate parents now. Commission surrogacy na or the no. So feel say Akolani stay with the surrogate mother and so on or the mamo. Most of the case I reading bar 2 or so no because the judge felt the agreement wasn't strong enough and it seems that it was more of a payment than a compensation no. The Akolani surrogate parents no.
Nah?
Yes, Reku.
Good. Mr. Fidia, I told you a year pa. And come on in you.
And come on, dear, na maybe Monona missing can be sham was some can cry. Anyway, we change it when you would see any actual for. Baby, Uncle Bear Cassette. Savvy, and yet penetration bit now say happen, but then it's just the insertion of the sperm, or banning why dear no. And so no may nana, monsieur, may babasham as racism. Say, only a bad ye, in say nyam rampoa, and I say, in say, dear, ye G Bible dinner. You say, BBD, your friend is saying, brofuna cry than say only a
incest.
Yeah, incest, yes. And she said, only when you have banana, only that biologically, nanso technically, no, yet the Uhunsio Nako Gunuma, and you say, you are and
okay. Difference a woman say, so when you sue when you are banning Kusia. Yes. Or act as incubator.
Yes.
You know, that's okay. Because on pass be a biological be a marcolano.
Okay.
Biological genes ni DNA ni BBI wo and a wuku. To wukusia and wuku sperm near the eye. But a lot of the cases, surrogate mother no makusia. In that case, I was all outside because
Yes.
inbreed, so they create diseases in this animal. And
Correct.
then, but in the specific case, Obano wo kusia, but untimi and yim and untimi carrying insane. Bema non sperm no ahoɔden wɔ mu a, of course, mobetimi use family members as incubators.
Okay. Yo, and yeah, me that's me question based on that and say where the omaye surrogacy no. Na say just along so omokoye first 6 weeks or 12 weeks omokoye ne keka ho no. E wo Ghana and say oba ne obema ne nyina e wa ha. Enti no omo invite mami e de ba ha as normal invitation. Enti oba no oman kantre border force bia wafofunu ana onyinsen na ode baaye wabet na omo nchen a go through all hospital antenatal whatever ne nyina wa go through na obewo e wa ha sei wabewo wa ha no afei agreement no enam say omo ntumi enwie bibia e wo Ghana e na omo de to nsa e de frɛ maame e de baaye omato nsa frɛ no waba bewo wa ha maame eni abeji akwala no ho surrogate no carry akwala no eni abeji no no so feel say ono oba visit and say just I think in 6 months na odi wo akwala nti ne visa enwuye ba we wo akwala na ewie na fe ne visa eba bi so ono feel say eni enko betumi ejina se wanfa akwala na ma omo a obetumi ejina akwala ne so e de nya nkra na nkrata na nka odi atena ha ena ade na go sawa and for omo ye agreement omo si omo mpene sa akra ne yo ba Uncle Ben omo de ba the court na me bisa say chances ben ena e wo sa nkrofo intel.
Okay, I mean first of all no I will see a share steps now you highlighted your starting program no oba no enya legal advice omo sign agreement no almost sign what Ghana cry ha no still court no betimi ahwe but can say agreement no nye enforceable but it can serve as information a judge no be take into consideration so basa or yeah sa 7-point welfare assessment of where akola no be kona obetimi ahwe important so we surrogacy obi atene ho ase.
Yes.
Legal advice, counseling, very, very important. So my men say on Fabano and my papa na. Ano akolano obedenya British passport ama akolano wajina so.
Say me name M sem crofo na etonefo. Be definitely bad advice from friends and stuff like that. You know onim say one fa akora na mo a ono betumi ejina ne so dachi e dey anyes.
Okay, the other part is say e ono no kosua na say ye be ma ne yere kosua na ye dey ye.
One can't eno ankyere me eno say carry yefunu no e de ma omo e no mo de invite no de ba.
Okay, most cases no a surrogate mother na ne kosua ana papa no sperm. Ana ye kan no kromo ana akola maame ye maame owo no. Yes, owo ba na ono be akola no maame in spite of any agreement. So on handy over akola no momon go through the court process na akola no nye omo e papa no ba de say papa no sperm na maame no owo ye no nye obi o ye married a ne ba. However, in this case no a serve as warning to ye nyina say wo ye surrogacy na advisable say wo beje legal advice and sana we to first step minim de ntia omo ma no be wo ha it may be so omo feel so okay e be cut niema bebree because say papa no sperm na maame no ware na papa no ye British and okra indefinite maame no wa akola na ye British okay tie bia no mo no mo yi but sa cutting of corners no sa di we na nya de ye didi agro we nya try and error we say odi akola be wiase nti wo se bibia beboa ma akola na nyin na wa be panipa ama ne health the mental well-being bibia ye pepepe no e wo so mo te omo ho ase but it looks like court na wo so mo ko resolve.
Okay, all right. The next say Bibiano should base on the agreement signed by the two parties.
Agreement is enforceable.
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 Oh,
Nti
okay.
judge no koye decision na. Judge no koye decision say akola we no. Parents we ni we no. He na bebo akola no.
Okay.
Surrogacy agreement is enforceable with Kromo. It's not enforceable.
Right.
A
Okay.
court no bit me a share na aboa ne decision ye no. Kromo no under the Children Act no. So ye decision about akola ye will process ye firm. And on a court no be ye. You find a welfare checklist. Tick. Or bet me a fact findings. And sana why ye welfare checklist no and our welfare decision. A bit me two decision. And a bit me a go straight to welfare decision.
Okay.
Welfare decision no or the place akola no. But the papa no a sperma he's got in spite of the agreement no or no right to say maame na. It will be very interesting where I don't know I could see. But yes. It seems obi person tena ha enti was cattle me kuni a yere omo ani gye nyina a problem.
Uncle Ben, that's now next one. No, so they say, sa process, yeah, na nyamia ya dom, and ya kalaba, konaba, a kalami, na ba. I am kalami na ba, dear. We see a kotoa baba, consigna, and 1 million. Ain't Abani say, your carry surrogate ma say, and yan kebeya. Or sharp ran and Palanis in your moon channel, or still the far back. Not the back, no. I'm saying, they came, they bargained for one. So, if that be the case, let's share. Let me take one, and then you also take one. Uncle Ben, can this agreement also hold? And I say, okay, say the agreement is not enforceable, no. Bibi and one bit to me, I have found.
But I'm going to answer that question. I mean, it is a very interesting question and fun so way so. Say Omanya Muni.
Yeah.
It is a years way.
Wow. Well, I mean, first of all, no, South America, no, back could be a year in Colonia 5.
Wow.
5, yeah. 5. Bibia Copepe. You see, our crimes in Colonia is 7 or 8. The process, you know, as I keep saying, you know, agreement is not enforceable. However, court, you know, about share agreement, you know. And between them, you know, almost decided, say, okay, what for baba so baba just remember, say, papa ne sperma, na mama no warrior or a biological father, but the year no, a mother.
Okay.
Akola no mame, a surrogate mother, no, or no, a mother. Someone go through court process, no one finalize a ultimate your mother. I just want to go through court process. In this case, you know, if you obey or not, mame by adoption. Now I adopted Nikuno Bano, now by anaba.
So in this case, the best situation was all come and they say obey a pre-birth parental order. Send a Ghana
and for Ghana.
For Ghana.
Yes. And here for Ghana. Chromo and all requirement and it's 16 weeks after birth now. I was a parental order. Chromo Amran. Yes. Not just a moba. But until Ghana, no 12 weeks from insemination, pre-birth parental order, and then 28 weeks after the 12 weeks. You know.
So then it would make sense to say in Ghana. Under Ghana law.
And until Ghana, no, I preferable because I had the bar now, you know. So my new process in the year, I was saw adoption. Adoption so can be very expensive.
Okay. Obesa offer program you saw number now is 07950422780. Obia Sunday. I want to call on the program. Yes, but obeti me afre. Obeti me a texting so at the amayen say WhatsApp say a year text message. Obeti me at the about 07950422780 07950422780. I'm going to be what voice note to be. Oh, I'm saying yeah introduction. No, I mentioned the say in our research in commodity. People said this thing has been very popular in Ghana in the past few years, but concern kakra ewo ho. Madam ma yentie sa enkomo yi.
Mepacho surrogacy discussion, no way kakra contribution kakra. Eya, ebi no moba Ghana, omufi abruchi, omoba Ghana. Na omwanya obi a obeye surrogacy ama wo mo. Na omo de akwada no kọ abruchi. Na problem kakra ya yehu ne se. Emma no mota ye surrogacy man nkrofo. Obehu se bia de na kọhye eden tuo bi mu ana baby a wo no ye nhye dan he ne yie. Na otehonom saa na mmom awo Canada.
Oh, well, friend, and Yabatena, na me de ebo way, but into us.
Ne ko hospital. Enti saa no wo ya pe ye yi akwala na every. Chen. Ebi okra ye man a chance no ho akwada na ni. Ebi se nya ne ba. Na ye de akwada na abesne ko.
Obi
Na
fro.
dodo ma so so
Friend, and
ni ya wo
Yabripa.
ka bia ma no se. Obi aba ama na ye surrogacy ama no. Ebeye den e no nipa cross so wenyamwa. Ifi so wo Ghana ha. E na de oye ma no wa bruchi. Aha nso so ni ye nhye den ni regulations papa bia. Ai fa surrogacy ho. Medase ye friend me kuya. Medase.
And when yeah, agreement, within the 9 months, Nipano welfare, Emrano Bekche, it's an agreement in the Moya, but say, was here, Nipano more, but it will be your heart, and your kind, 9 months in now, Timinia here, but the whole Fakosa. But it's happening really, say, people are not taken care of within the period.
Well, what I know is to say ye suban will be bia hono. Nkrofo ka take corners.
Okay.
No lawyer involved, no psychologist involved, absolutely nothing. Okay? Oshian will be aba, ofia bruchiraba, ne ho bonska, we hu aba you be, or area moho, or frano, or in a dinkomo, a person ye say, mammy, amount be 1,000, amount 2,000 pounds, ne niaje. Omakop through the process, no, or man of the decan. Uye, or the diakana, kakra bi na amano. Or no nso na nsusu, say when you ma, be I won't benuma kutu bedi, kwadu, ubedi a ben quine, sabe, ubedi di kama. Sana o hearing yama, or pesa, or shannon, because Oma be ye too. Min nipa that, well, mama, let me rephrase it. Se woye bema ana oba na oma obi ye surrogate mother ma na wotete no te se akokọ ewa akokọ buo mu a na chese opese owo akokọ. It's as simple as that. Okay. Now, I'm very passionate about this particular topic because me feel say there are very painful marriages out there ebenim. And I say painful if shas ya na mebo maame enuaba e na se wedding. Sa nkrofo mi ensan. Omo no ba ware ni ma obe nso omo akofo ba afoforo aba se wuntimi nwo a ya bre ye nuaba no ba. Ya bre no yere so ntimi nwo mai. Me hu bi da it happens. But se we ye bema na we oba na woni wukun akoye surrogacy wo Ghana. Now feel say Ghana ye so cheap say we do ye surrogate na when you're interested in surrogate in welfare, it's baby or baba koda be duane obe due atara obe show enya problem kan hu say ba na ye be wa ma on say na wotete ma me no esa ba na ye be wa and mateda but I don't think the education ba it may be saying in parliament the act 2027 by 2020 act no our president no say October 2020 no. It may be said into no because in federal clinics and our fertilization and our scientific birth and our gestational birth for Ghana no and yet that regulated to say na new no Ghana. However, you were lost for Ghana. Enti so wo wanyimobia even ya mamre mukra no onyimobia ye what damages are you crowd. Sa damages no nye say ye crowd damages ye pese ye juice kanyina is to say benye bibi na ye ahwe oba no ene akola no eni nti na say oba anyima ye ma wonware no na owia asa na waware no de enua bai kan ye it could be true But omo amehu omo so omo ye surrogacy nyina they are decent people. And these are people are
well obviously say now kind of be categories.
Yeah.
Me koye na maba.
Yeah.
Fa lawyer mehu obi a no
Yes.
akwa koye.
No akofa ba no. Ebi wakora mfa nkokọ to nya hwe. No akofa se mea na mawo. Nti mafa me ba no me de no ba. Na echire na ho nsem ade niema no. First of all, opese wo ye surrogacy a hu lawyer. Ye nya no kwa. Enya ade a ukotena bia ba onum bubra na wahu sa abayo bi twema ne ho ye ofe na wosio abayo yi me pese onye mame enti fertility clinics no omoso na hye wo omoso a ewo so omo ye hwe se obi obeba ho bia eye sorry because nye de bia no omunim obi wa no feel say ye mpena omo ye fertility treatment keke but say ade a oba no betimi awo a ada na wona na wona no enti ho na wo say yeah
Trigger baby sir.
say no this is suspicious. Now I repeat again, say wo peba na wo pese obi ekura ba no mawa o hwe nipa no okura ba no because oye vehicle ana akola no woni mu e wo so hwe no ma na aduane di ti nanim ma no dan padam anya dan a enyu anya anya ghetto baby papa wo ba ne wo yere betina no e ho na wo sa wo ma no tena.
Okay. 020812311016 and now say 07950422780. Me wo me be awo ahoma so Alex, I'll come to your message but my main share nipa wo ahoma so hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes sir, bajo it is official pa.
I think we say ho. I say na nyanko kwa ye kefie. Mekia abusuafo nyina Uncle Ben ene omo aka nyina. Yo me damasipi me pacho me question say me bisa ma me sister. Oware yijuni e wokum hanom. Oware abrantie na abrantie no enyenya settled status.
Okay.
Enti omo wo babako na recently ena nyanko pandarum abrantie nya settled status. Enti opesenka or register akran as British. Enti opese ohun edin kan some time ago na me say lawyer Richard no more can say obi the home office echo court concerning the cost for registration 2012 no. Enti be see who say omate so ana say the gina etoso biom so or register na form bay na obefele to register Akolana as British. But my question on Madam Asipi.
Okay. But me fa man ko bene na fi omwa.
Well, I mean, first of all, no, under Section 1(3) of the British Nationality Act, no, say, ba and sana winya indefinite, obetimi register Akolana as a British citizen. Former ube yusu ama Akolana form MN1. MN1 fini 2012 yente so enti ano na eye fee no ano na ye form no ade a obehia ya akola no birth certificate proof a trace papa no an din wo birth certificate na maame no sisi a wo indefinite na mo de aka ho mo fill form no online na ye better na mo upload the documents ni nyina online.
Okay.
All right. You and yeah, Madam Asipi nyanko point.
Yes,
I mean insha also.
All right.
07950422780 and now set 020812311016 07950422780. Hello. Bacho minia be ma na minia ba wo so ma into why. Okay. Right, me pick one comment quickly. One more YouTube no yadamwa say Papa Kofi, thank you for your comment. Good afternoon as well to you. Me wo ba ko ha Linda Obing MN1 A 1112. I'm saying Linda am I answer ewo ho. We say good evening all and happy new year. My question is out of today's topic. Yeah, is due for a renewal of a permit to live in a few months to come. And was comment and see Papa say me at the full one number because it doesn't really ask any question, Mr. For Ebrana University City. Okay, yeah, dear Nona Masai Apeja Adia Bano, you Margaret, do mensa, you are welcome on board. When our man Akabe, and so you does say you were Amwako Joel. Thank you very much. Another one. Amwako Joel, okay. Who can say you are here some? Okay, my hair said Minya Libacro Ewa Humano. So hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Yes, Mommy.
Good evening. Uncle, good evening.
Good evening.
Mammy, good evening.
Good evening.
Where dear? Oracle, now me person busa question kakra about surrogacy. Yeah. During pregnancy, we know say anything can come up.
Okay.
So as a mother or carry obiba during 20 weeks, we know say we check for. At times we check during 20 weeks now. We check for maybe a spinal defects, plump feet, those kind of stuff. No, not in the way no more consider BBC or maybe a cletless on some kind of na or man no BBC yes. Can parents na legally no or more parents no withdraw say like this is not what they were expecting to see or more pay. What will happen? Woman than a chronic house when I say a contract is a contract. And one thing, as a mother on your ma, you pick up so many kinds of disease up, like kidney, need those kind of stuff. No. Society this year, after wawama or mono, is there any aftercare? Say be aware other different kind of your beings, you know. Is there any aftercare or mother and so I say compensation be on the man does it and then I say be the show. Even so answer me pass on my question. Thank you. Me pass on you were real cool.
No, my headache. My headache.
She's so intelligent.
Papa, it's our question. What can I say? What on one man? What is it?
Maybe we don't stay that you want
to yeah, she's so intelligent, you know. A very intelligent question.
That's right.
Now, Nipa say, yes, surrogate mother, Mawa. Can you see how she will bargain when it comes to the agreement?
Yeah.
And this is why I say, surrogacy nyadia yedi tiremukwa.
That's right.
Decision from parents, mother and father, and our husband and wife. Decision by surrogate mother. Counseling and a legal advice.
Okay.
And within that process, bibia was oba onimfa awo because ubetimi ayare, bibi betimi asi, ebetimi abasa akolana or defect be was abort medically for medical reasons. Make abortion for abortion's sake, but for medical reasons. One or yet side decision. This is what goes into the contract. Tinya contract say about £2,000. Na we are near Bejabano. And you're on your friend of contract. Contract near very intelligent questions. To say the Sheila Ebise. Sheila, where you nurse no?
Oko.
My name is we in nurse now. So Oko Akakra.
I know they may be sent.
Okay. And now may you happy. Say you bisa our questions see because be one or drink say okay maybe I'm my woman mommy you know still me under 35 and I'm under 40 I don't mind say me boa will be
okay
now my boa no say nya omoba and I say me no because of me status into me ready say me pay me basis but me happy say me boa will be these are the sort of questions I also would bisa so more cost more yet agreement now initially, no, okay. One obehwe me, ehe na metina. Then hospital na meko. One obe cover my hospital bills. routine checks one will be here. Me maternity clothing one will be here. And it's a period, no. Now, bear in mind, say within the agreement, bet me the shame so okay. Whilst I when you know, you pesa obe nom sa, you pesa obe fat drugs. Drugs include say onum weed and alpha cocaine and alpha sani mano. You pesa obe yesi, you pesa obe yesi. Those are things that occur within the agreement. And then during the pregnancy, CBBC now was a parental decision. One also yes a decision. Now bear in mind, say on life is at stake. Okay. So yeah, negotiations. The final decision as to what happens to the child, rests with mother now or carry baby, because on also life here at stake. Yeah. And to say a medical baby, also no decision. She's the only one I'll bet me. Oh here consent from baby. And these are things I wasn't crofo. Say within that time now. Yeah, insemination to birth, no. Bibia kosubiya no, wouldn't say wo. Short say men say the bonnet, men fa the bonnet ngumu, men ye risky we are motor racing, and I say Bibia bema wapon and I when you miscarriage, no. Bibia also decided medically, no, or no any decision. But say akoye biaba agreement. Now when akola bi rababi 25, 26, 30. Of say if you into £2,000 be out there dada na or don't so and and quite no kofa. Now we jano tunko bonuma. Just bear in mind say BBC what's our colana wakoyesa. You may be stuck with a child. Obi walk or many parents in Sania man and an busia who may want for 8-9 months no call no their colana no asabefi. It happens. Okay, we are aware of it. But the American say, whatever step you're taking, and for the child to be viable and to grow up into a law-abiding adult. Now, I will say be from creation to birth. I will say yes, sound.
Okay. Now, your question be, I will have. I'm fan to so now. If you can pick it up, and now you're from lawyer. Oh, okay. What bomb day, but what they kind of me?
Oracle, I'm say. Mimi skin is see a very small.
Okay. Or say, is there a way EU national can apply for SS after his arrival in June 2021?
Or say, is there a way?
So say, is there a way a EU national can apply for SS after his arrival on June 21?
Absolutely. So, we bet me I as at 2020. Now before December 2020 now you can always come back and apply. Yes.
Okay. No. The follow-up question Sunni or say, is it possible for my ex-partner to have parental father order of my 4-year-old son whilst I'm paying for child maintenance, and how?
Parental order. Is it possible for my ex-wife's partner to have parental father order? There's nothing like parental father order. There might be parental responsibility, and I said residence, and BBF friend of private law section 8 applications. Yes, sir. Obi awari obi no oba na kola no papa na a stepfather. Yes, obet me apply for parental responsibility order.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, of course, so at the end, a bit of a lengthy one. I'll say a friend question. I'll say a question and far but I'll be happy if Uncle can look at it for me. I want to bring my son, who is 13 years from Ghana. I had my British citizenship a year after he was born in Ghana. My son lives with my mom and junior brother. I've done a DNA and I involved his mother, and the result shows he's my son. Now, one, can I apply a resident permit for him here in the UK, or I have to apply for it in Ghana? Do I need consent from the mother since we are not married and have the sole parental responsibility of the child? What documents should I show to prove this NFA involving the mother in the DNA? Will it affect the application?
Akula, you're very confident, pa. Well, I'm sorry, not so fast. Mr. Basically, no. Where, and right, you treatise our topic, where both parents, in the UK lawfully, say a one parent pen or waha lawfully. Now, if free BB, if friend is so responsibility, a legal word. What it means is although physically no wuni ho a wohwa akola no, but what delegate or responsibility rather than abdicate. But where akola no man no akola no life, it's going to be very difficult to prove. But internet and your case in certain circumstances, so we to show so responsibility. We to me I call the second limb, which is compassionate, compelling, and other family circumstances. You can use that. But the fact that why DNA is so Obaba say under EU law and very easy. And there's no requirement for so responsibility. But say under the immigration rules now, paragraph 297, and also even under the FM route now, you will have to show say a colana down for family yari in school come na sitting them ne didiem ne dine them be bia one away. Now your castle 1 hour physically no only ho until now remote control no remote control so no who you so I could be now press it means who convey message in the mouth will be any pana execute. You have to show some evidence what the message is in the court that will be executed. No? If you can show that both from the panel no through the school, hospital, church, and also mosque now, will stand a better chance. But again, I keep saying, where case no clear cut involve social workers, involve child psychologists, more mature reports and more. Now, omuma inkinkum. Now, what the year application now is very likely to be successful.
Yeah, will be our line also from Ghana. Michelle said, "Wasaka link na waso na fe amanfonso answer and kebi share comment na afe like your pages ahodo or no say BW Communications, Facebook and YouTube, and afe BWF Solicitors, Facebook, YouTube." And all the other social media platforms. Now, I mean, call many of what Amano so. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Bajan Apple, what to say? Good. Pacho, you too. Nana, you too.
Na moka munyina ene Uncle Bernard happy new year. The ball midino I hope say Uncle Bernard obehu me. Now my question no to some extent no and shut down a net topic no but
problem.
Na follow me for some time and you know say how I make me bizarre. Let me say Uncle Bernard.
No problem. I find out you too. Why?
Not show you. UK. Not show you. But I remember to UK for a long time. I was in fact when it's not only me being commodity bia. Or catch me say. Don't worry. So the home office better. Now, mama, what back straight. You know, I have not the house. Now, okay. Into the beer, I will catch me. And your catch me said me one in class has to home office. But end of last 2 years, you know, unfortunately, me now, no, nipa na obey pa at that time, no. To put so be many. Wa mama who ye, and after he deceived me. Into no, some what best friend me did you for ye, but it made me deciding on my own, no. Me kota visa, na me tinya ba de tie me mami. Not knowing say, or no. Now I want the agenda all together concerning the woman with the Benya Ewo. It's in my main character, even up to date, no. Me who be na minim dia intino, Setiano, some mechanic said, me lawyers. Me can't say mechanic said, a mechanic could go to me lawyer with Timono. Uncle Bernard, me lawyer. Makes me a catch Uncle Bernard say, me talk. On share home office, mammy say, and no press. Na me mama e de me afile me document na certificate dia And the other thing I may apply for waiting visa twice. Some of the bad the same man or one penny.
Okay. Nanaya, well, first of all, visa them say one person I will apply, and you apply. Ain't you know. That's correct. The yeah man or no. You know, what can be and I didn't want to say, but because in Crofoti, we are representing our Nemami estate, and Tionon Quano Yanemame, and a Nemami will feel her, will be pesa or Fanemami Japadiano. Tia representing Sada non coso. And Yadia Becoson so, and or you're sure. Nanaya, I dare meet me a catch on say. First of all, say, oh, my file bibi mawa Ghana ne BPO. Aha in America, we need cry it me my green card no. So when you're British at this age, you know, be any hobby to me a BB mao. So oh, my cast or do dear can be one. Physically, no ni how my maintain for with D and can be that is the only thing. But you bet me a subject access request. Na be a file home office be a koshama. Why? Nasanka obetimi ne miaka ansana na ni sa oba radios wa my way security na I hope say akwara
oh that they won't where the yeah and oh I mean I'm a number court
what do you yeah Mate. And you pass the Yom Cockot, Mawa. Final super case in your form of cockot. Why?
Because no cramming and meaning said that I'm past who I was a home office framing and a home friend against in a home office and framing. And on friend, I may copy in application or Jimiska and a woman said, I'm a citizen. I have every right to come and bury my mom. Why did they receive me twice?
Yeah, Nanaya, even or visitors visa and a basa na I am for no at the battery and nemono. Say one mama and DHR mao. But oh my DHR anka, you know, can be a sure thank you resolve. But anyway, oh my see no, Yamia. Minim Nina, Minim. I can't tell you no two foot many. He was just deceiving me. Futrogu and him. I'm saying Nipana catcher.
Abaya. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, uncle.
But you didn't come over you, why?
Hello.
My ending come over you.
But you didn't come over you, so better than me. I am there because admission next week, my one mommy. It's not a year by me, make sure to me.
Okay, consultation. I don't know.
Shut up, Bushino. Shut up, I'm Bushino.
Yeah.
What's a damn wishy uncle? Oh, may I say?
Yeah.
Anyway,
but the Ayaya man no I am purely probate litigation. I'm say sometimes, you know, Crophobia or na omunimo bina ni penua na omobu nipa na busuya for na gu. A very sad case, sir. Minua bay. To be frank, I'm in Pesameka because Benim said, Abia, Nipana Yakana said no tea, Sadia, but I would tea so here because Sabi when you will be Kuma, Untimin forge Nema, and tea, yeba, ya started process, no. Say, my man, baby, or ye, Juma cry, scare was say a demand and Nakra. Papa, Adenansa, Akosha Honso. Ama, letters I buy, not just or could you when you cross so you kun, so a busian phone, and answer when you kun. I am very sad, but send a ban no. Nana the visitors visa no nkode maya nkisi yanko aba. Or am farm my because I see papa need to futuro good.
Encourage.
Oh, see I see ma no. And I think so for now no your main concentration is my mental pension and the death and service benefit. I was here the man no. Quite a bit of money. And a property equity woman is over £300,000. Nana Kwano Yaba, until I was sitting in a corner now. Yaba Jaman, Yaba Jin in man, and dear. Says no, it is a way ambushing.
Okay. Yeah, well, Alexa say YouTube. I like Sheila's question. It's too deep. It takes an intelligent person to ask that question. Sheila, thank you very much. Or say it's £2,000 that you pay half and the rest of the amount when the visa is given. What's about that?
Minimum idea okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, me who had the crowd.
For 2,000, sorry, guys, I'm the example. Say, money 2,000. To be named, say,
and you £2,000. I was a brother.
Minim, baby, a 2,000.
And I I'm warning about surrogacy. Was one doing a bit that because you say how near the surrogacy party when you do that.
Yeah.
Well, as Uncle Ben said, no, be any motive or the sadia, no, be not. It gives you inward happiness. Also, be to me and boa obi enti my name house said I was all boa obi. Have we looked at this question? My question is not about today. Ia is due to renew her permit to live in she's on a 10-year route by marriage. It's no more with a man. She married with a divorce certificate and have a son with a British man and living with a man currently. Documents by and here for change of circumstance and route by over fast so she meets the immigration requirement.
Okay, roots no to family life of a partner, family life of a parent. So ni papa ni ho no or divorce or you so ne bana or British no. Now I'm switching called family life of a parent. Because of your 10-year route no, you fa parent and a partner mix it. But because of what 10-year route no, Unyanya the 10th year, I'll be to my application for lawful residence, 10-year long residence, under paragraph 276. Now, why? Say, or change in circumstance, or form I'll be fed, or call online, or fill this form now. So we are destitute, all the documents account. So when you're destitute, but we are potentially destitute. I was out the count. So when you're potentially destitute, but all struggles will be meet everyday needs or meet me, recourse to public funds in a free so.
Okay. Now I'm saying there are a few questions to pose. Now, young fan, now young call your next segment. So last week, your bomb mania said that you share you knew about Tilly Duma and him, and then the TBR. I'm so sure that Tilly shared that, so we just get a few benefits. And now let me hand it over to you now. You share your corner every single.
Where the brony be na or emrebi or coin chrome into no or I'm so for you macacrow and a buy into we see while falling in love with Ghanaian women, Sana Mecano. Now we share Ghana ni baby, ewa ha agrogromwa Ghana for food. Answer who say abaywe onishi or the visitors visa never. Na obroni nso aye determine say abaywe opeso wa no enti obebisa me na osi minim ye krom amamre kakra enti wate say ye krom no obetumi busuafo betumi ehia aware na chese wafa so aware na emum oni ebusua ewo Ghana na ne oka chem ni say abra akoye eduma kakra o Ghana no ofa adamfo chese onya ohonom ebusua enti no sa ebusua no wa ha no onye na adwen so obetu kwan because of corona senior ekwe on person obetu kwan in this circumstance na afen so girl no so wa fa yefun no so no on person akwentu mo nsem obeka se onko Ghana ansa na wa kɔware no e de aba enti obisa me say obetumi e de na adanfofo na ohia mo Ghana no representing as the family, any Obani family, no my Ghana traditional marriage, and sana. Now, mo nya Ghana ni, inti no hono na yemi na kakra se unka ye ya mamre no, even though Obano, inti no oho de say lawyers no, and they bit me amame mwaye, inti no sisi our son testament say, utie program no ba. He's not heard the question that he asked me. Inti na yana cancer Uncle Ben now the brofone kakran so afra.
Okay. Well, I mean, first of all, thank you very much for the question. Of course, if somebody wants to conduct customary marriage in Ghana, you can do that through your friends or through a proxy. So what you need to do is basically to direct, instruct, or ask any person to go and stand in your stead and carry your message to the family. And then once that is done, the necessary rites will be performed. Once the rites are performed, they can then swear statutory declaration and use that as evidence, deposing the facts to the assembly. The assembly will then issue a marriage certificate, which is called the customary marriage certificate. And once that is issued, it will go through the certification process at both the High Court and also the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration. They will then give it an apostille or a seal, a red seal, you ever born a tie. Once that is done, that can come here. But, you know, she is pregnant. So, you know, we thank God for the pregnancy. But it's not advisable to make any application yet until the child is born. Once the child is born, the child is automatically British, and she can then make an application once the child is born. So whether you're Ghanaian or not, if you're marrying a Ghanaian or a Ghanaian is marrying a foreigner and they want to use a customary law, our laws do not discriminate. And if you elect to have a particular culture, our laws recognize that, and the English law does recognize it. And there's a typical English case which went to the High Court, went to the former Lord, who is Lady Butler-Sloss, who decided a case. It's a case of McCabe and McCabe. And it was an Englishman and a Ghanaian lady. The Englishman asked the Ghanaian lady's uncle, who was on his way to Ghana, to perform the customary rites. He performed the customary rites in Ghana. And when the marriage fell on hard grounds, the man tried to wiggle his way out, and the court said, no, you are married. You gave your consent through the uncle and asked him to represent you, and by that representation, any act that he conducted was your act, and therefore the 4 ingredients of a customary marriage, which is consent of the man, consent of the woman, consent of the family of the woman, consent of the family of the man, and also living together in the eyes of the world as man and wife, or publication, has been satisfied. In the circumstances, the marriage was held to be a valid Ghanaian customary marriage, which is recognized under English law. So yes, you can ask your friends in Ghana to conduct the marriage for you. But as a family lawyer, this advice also goes to your wife. Okay. To prevent this man from saying, hey, I'm not aware of this, and that you and your friends in Ghana have done this behind my back, especially when the relationship breaks down and the woman wants to be provided for because it's got your child. My advice to the woman is that ask your husband or your partner to swear a statutory declaration here, okay, or a power of attorney authorizing the friends in Ghana to conduct the marriage, so that in future, we hope this marriage lasts forever. But if there are issues on the way and the woman wants some of the man's properties or property, or she wants to be provided for and her child to be provided for, the man does not wiggle out. I've seen one before. That's a case that I was involved in. Went to the Court of Appeal, and it's a reported case. I was involved, myself and Professor Woodman. So I'm aware that in certain circumstances, people abuse the process and say, I didn't even understand a word of what they're saying, so I couldn't have given my consent. And therefore, let's do things properly. Okay? Thank you very much.
Okay. Yeah, so now there's no need for her to go to Ghana.
No, they don't have to.
Sorry, me try one.
Time also.
What? Mama, 30 seconds, because we'll be online.
And yes, man, questions need to say about all the time. So, man,
I'm going to nipa ya line. So, hello.
Hello, welcome, Adre.
Yeah, no, mommy. I just saying.
Uncle Ben, so my Adre, I'm not going back to the month.
Yes, yeah, we are pa, but you're into it.
Yeah, but I'm winning that, Yapa.
I think come to you.
I think over to you, official
I would do some mamma of Yapa. Every Saturday, I'm hosting here. Yeah, that master farm T-shirt and instrument. I can manage some money for Rebecca and the many I do wrong.
When I say that, Moncoso and I'm supporting us. Say radio, no, about radio.
I'm a pastor, Matthew. I mean, some wine, I'm a Damasi.
Yamisha, see that CP. That I say, Evelyn, don't could be so. I say, where is Lawyer Richard? Oh, okay. Last one now. You introduce young prize winner. No, I can we question you or say any idea how to bring 2 children from Ghana to live and school in the UK when their parents are in Ghana and not British citizens?
Well, I mean, so I'm about as students. And I call as a student, no, or under 11 years, is it 11 or 30? 11 years, parents in the between in Abetina. And I was some boarding school, and I say a day school, I was some appointed guardians. I'm because I'm a young collar. Now I'm a school fees, no. Now I'm sure say more savings, what the best show or more baby. Now my application very easy. So it's in collar school, but it's the easiest way. Yes. Okay. Yeah, it was
for a net Jimmy no Komona the pa and it's been very interactive. Begidi say Uncle Ben and my 2 extra hours I can't cry. You been yanko for more money and Edding Como Bebre, a cosoma munina fish pa. Now before you no band no Uncle Ben and my BWF Solicitors Abusian for my who say Uncle for a promote brand no and it's been so very encouraging. Enti yen na fe yen na abusiafo no ase. Well, unfortunately, yentimi emfa prize no emma nipa nyina. But ye na say the top 3 people are or more a share page no. Say your Facebook, say your YouTube, WhatsApp there we didn't have a scientific way of doing that until along the line no, we limited it to until nipa 3 top 3 no will be in your £200 each omodi ebechu omonum na till there or your nadwin say obeba na fe oni yen aba be digima no ewo eye TV no so and until Tilly yes, entitley ewo ha ene. Angoben, umano ba kuni.
Absolutely. When him say me who know that.
Oh, now, okay. I said that last week about said that imagine she can already
seeing her in flesh, you know, it's it really relaxes your mind. So Juma Edin, there are people behind. And omo ya my Bob Brain, more Facebook, or more commenting and more money lively, she's so beautiful, and and thank you for coming. So at least what who baby I will.
That's right.
So so
last week I read what's MBIC or the moment came. Say your text address don't matter no. Suppose good in a year 4.
Yeah.
4 ZZ or say NZ or whatever. And you type on a type of 5.
Ish.
Into a right.
Oh.
I was empowered. Now you 2 catches na you tuned bedri and I program.
Oh.
Do you see kind of cost it?
I was over general. That's better. That's better.
Enti Uncle Ben Pacho, Nisika Deni.
Oh, okay. Pacho, my boss there.
Pacho, you say the Sika Krama, I saw a penny, I saw the man all kind. You can't say about your kind.
Yes, I'm from all. And Juma would do say, Nkofonia so, and first, and Nanki Kukruding and your top iPad, 1,000 BBB. Near their money, Pabako. So, see, I see, I save you. Enti fato kukubina fahwe me wofa asenum no. Why? Okay.
Tilly, eventually. And then I'll make her.
Meda obibiase na yadan kebenase. So this community and the law aba. Na yemu bebre ni hiamwa. Enti no yasum na yebeboa na akọ n'anim akọ se ne nyame ahyehyɛ no. Na yene a etiefo no so de beka ne sa ne ahwefo no. Sometimes no ya na yeba ye tro enti mo hwe se yenyina ebi wo so no ye hwe ne mo tro no ye hwe ne ade ebi a lawyers no nyina o ntumi enhwem en contact ma na nye nsem nyina ne ka wa bonten enti o ntumi enyim ano sa ya na mamo mo re wo se o wo man fia na o man read mo question ebi no wo ho a ye hwe na ye kan na ye get back to money a ye de ama o mo na omo edi hundment ya na yenya abotire na ya hwe no omo eyi omo akoma mu so mbeboa ye nti yenso ye oho se yenso ye beboa na bibia ayi kama
Ese ya da sepa we de mami hwe se uni aba na obetwetwe komo kakra na
Vini atili we de ame de se na tiliduma onye robot na say ya titi say ebi mutumi ye Facebook ni kululu no mo de din bi aba na e keep on sharing to say bi a oye nipa na so wa ma ye hu say ye de nipa na e be hwe ye na ma comment no say bi obi a ye nipa da se ni like you ye be da wase afen so senior di kan ye no some of the comments ne ba dodo na nso hwe se enye ne nyina wo se sometimes ba na ekọ until say bi a ibenya ho ne a stop bi na ya pick bi nti se obi ba na ne question na odi abato no ye ntumi ehu ne ntem ansa eno nkyere se ye bo akoya na se ye pese ibe fi but ne nyina ya botre bi a another time we be beside the same question na wenya somewhere so or say you keep on sharing, keep on watching. Inti yebeda wasi baby say we experience yedi sike yama any senye sike mpo abra o start say wo hwe BWF Solicitors ye Facebook ni YouTube no o ka say wo this experience na we nya nimdia we nya no o ka say wo ni obi share e dey just in a short statement no be ka kire ne pa.
Yeah, cuz
say aboa no kwan bebre so na
okay
say bibi ni na say e kire me so a say de ye wo omunyina numbers na ade no ye befo adi ama appropriate authorities na na omo ewo na omo ahwe no mo adi hu ntuma.
Okay.
Obi shiny tilly pa na sem kitwa wo platform no so na sa shiny we pa so dey me fan shame ho sa but antuba brefie because wo me know
antuba why jealous
antuba me know wo brefie well you were I mean fact comment hey what's going on here say Tilly I share page no and link no so many times say she's one of the 3 winners of our £200 prize. Yeah, the Emma a year Christmas period. No. Daniela say Tilly is so beautiful. Oh,
thank you.
so and you were congratulations, Tilly. I see him up. What's a Queen Tilly? Okay. Maminko, the next one. I'll say my gorgeous queen. Tilly, her ladyship, Tilly Duma. I'm for to say you're a class prefect, and I say you're him.
Yeah, queen.
The queen Tilly.
Her ladyship.
Okay, Mami Shino Kaka. Oh, really? Is that Tilly Duma? Wow. Okay, another one here. Say My competitor is very beautiful.
I don't know what DB on.
I don't know. What's wrong with the t-shirt? I think it's 2 t-shirts in a row. The second one in Yankoi because now you're called Christmas break. You know.
Okay.
Definitely this week, Professor Ade will do the posting to Sameka. Why? Now him Sapon. Congratulations, Tilly. And
I said my Tilly.
My Tilly. Okay.
My Tilly.
I said can
I was saying
because my Tilly need Tilly difference.
Sarah Pinzo. Please mention my name. Sarah. But Sarah say, yes, I know.
When you know.
You need to know Facebook or be same man so I must be.
Oh, okay. Congrats, Tilly, but you will be saying the same next year. Okay. Another one here. Beautiful smile, my queen, Tilly Duma. Sarah. Sarah, shining pa. In fact, Ninyana Naji, my class prefect, don't call no so be shine no pa. Naji, if you are around, but Femi, WhatsApp, because me file link in the mount, you might not come on video. But Naji, if you are around, just before we go, oh, Seth, are you jealous? Seth, see nobody will mention your name.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I was saying for we a year, oh, Kenneth. Until I'm say congratulations, my rival. Kenneth, me do I never to see. Okay, now if another one, I'll say beautiful, but I say the crown. Oh, I will take the crown from you next year. Okay, good. Very, very good.
That's a good one.
Let me drop you a hint. In fact, class prefect Nanaji, my Oba Yasomwa, a lady, a friend said, Gatuzo, and Muamaka, I've created time for young followers and listeners, the contributors on our radio. I'll put you all together. Na mwanka sama bayemu program. Okay. Nti na najima nti na make say friend we nka me de e sha okon preko. We'll give you a slot on our radio program. Na mwanka Ezekiel Johnson. Yes. Evangelist.
Yeah.
Na mwanka sama bayemu program. So people will also feel what it is because sabe back in the day, one of my very first directors of GBC, Auntie Harriet and Techi Manson, or say, any fool, or can say not here, and he was studio crowd to me the ababa, or can as no one can hear me ababa, no big travel radio, so no call. Or say any fool could sit behind a microphone, but you have got the opportunity. Sabi mobe ye ka oni e ba radio so ni ade but adwen no bebre e wo nipa bebre trimenye ye nko a me the opportunity no and BWF Solicitors and Kubena Daruma we try me ma na me se me giant so sign but ideas na e wo mu nyina am ho there are things that we want to discuss with the community and nye me presenter na amanyeti ene be ye mu ankasa come and present it and send out the ideas so that we can all fashion the community together. And come can there be a community in here? And yet, second come quite the pension crash. I was a poor community. Till you da CP. Now then I catch you in your
Uncle Swa na odi niduma udimaye senior ekono ontne nshin wana e kanisen yes na idea now the buy no so mondwene ho na omombeka ye ho once a while then we have all of them on board and have a broader discussion. I think say yes na atili ebebua sisi ano obia nya bigidi say nya even just BW platform ipe na ude no de obeka Facebook agi din wo ho party tell and the nyamia say ampa onye robot na ye hu physically and ebe signing as a signal to other platforms then so say ampa ye hu tili and everybody is saying look how beautiful you are the nyamia say and tili pomodia na koswa say nia o share no senka maybe na o share no 2 or 3 times na say ade ye entrepreneur no na India who knows say by the end of the year enye 200 bebe ye double
okay. But as I said, more radio no so no, it's going to go off in the minute because news time on us and automatically it kicks in. Until say more radio no so it would go off in a minute. But yeah, that's all BWTV so ti mo enya fee. Uncle Ben, you say penny Jariria na insu asa. One kasa wati ano amayin for the year 2022. Then na the beja ansani sorry.
Well, I mean, I'm say Ndra, me catch my yeti say, and then yabeka about carers will be to me ediome free Ghana abano. Now the first process, so they say will be register with business and with the Home Office. I had difficult. First of all, no, I was so well when HM revenue and customs are registered. So we are vatable, which are VAT. We do threshold be while register with VAT. So what trade kakra, why our accounts, either audited accounts and now unaudited account, management accounts. Now our PAYE or staff out of our PAYE reference and as HM revenue reference. This is mano. Now if we decide this a report about the business, the hierarchy. And a number of people that were I didn't know person will be free Ghana aba crofine audio mobile juma be na mobile be and this man we ni na we mail Home Officer after say we fill the forms online no way to fee I think £536 up to 500 people but beyond that we 1,140 now why when your license ultimately you be a free Ghana ba so we supply NHS for and I say, why register with care and quality way now? Omunyina obetimi use na all in crofo fi Ghana ba.
Abusia ha na yede mo ebesie mijina minia ba na manyeti anemu na yede aseda ama munyina se mo kan ho ma yede dwumedie no ebrewo sanso na yemfa aseda kese ema yenia ba tili duma se otimi ababe srayen na baby a to crash no so ababe ye obi say that day I will sleep on the platform. Yes indeed yame enshamo and asida kese no so memfa emma yen principal ye lawyer Bernard Owusu ye born doctor last year on use but ye the best of the dino so na adase uncle Ben yame ensure ye
that's okay yeah.
You remember recruit frame porn and you DAC you want that said. May God bless you and keep you until we meet again.
Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things